lumber liquidators. I actually not recently. I actually swung trade swung traded this once or twice last year, back when it was hovering around $10. But actually, it's back. I haven't watched it since then. It's gone back up to 26. Um, it wasn't. Oh wow. It. Oh no, that's only. That's not. Okay, wait a minute. No, 1 year. Yeah, I think I was like playing around with it in like this. No, not there. Like this range. I want to say like here maybe. But it's gone on a good tear recently. Maybe it was before that. Was it the year prior I was trading this? It might have been the year prior, like with this little up and down right here in like late 2019. Um, but it's done well for itself recently. Very well. Uh, I mean, you can argue it just got caught up in the post March run up. It has kind of flatlined a bit since then, kind of a bit up and down. Perhaps you can read a little bit more about their company. Let's go explain what they do first. I think I know what they do. I'm pretty sure they sell lumber. But together with its subsidiaries, operates as a multi-channel specialty retailer of hard surface flooring and hard surface flooring enhancements and accessories. Company offers hardwood species, enhanced hardwood, laminate resilient vinyl, water resistant vinyl plank, and porcelain tile flooring. Renewable flooring and bamboo and cork products. Wow, it's super fancy. Operated for actually that's more stores than I would have guessed. 420 stores in the United States. Um, yeah, and I don't think I've ever actually seen one in person. I've seen commercials, I want to say, but I've never seen one in person. Um, so it's just a bit of an anecdote. Doesn't really have anything to do with anything. So how have they been looking? Uh, yeah. Okay. So year over year, they've been coming back. Even in 2020, they have managed to turn a profit in every quarter, which is good. It's a good sign. May not always meet expectations. I feel like this estimate might have been a little high, but they're still doing well. I'm actually really liking these numbers. I didn't pay much attention to these earnings back when I was trading it because I was kind of going off momentum, but I'm liking how these earnings are looking. Uh, Profit and sales rise above expectations. Yeah, I want to read about that because there might be some future guidance in there that I would want to take a look at. Oh, come on. Gotta go to your own stupid website. Net income rose to 31.3 million or 107 per share from 16.4 million or 57 cents per share in the year ago period. Very nice, very nice. Helped by 12.6 million income tax benefit. And actually, something else I just thought of. This is another one kind of similar to Lowe's when I gave Lowe's a unprecedented sell rating. I can definitely see this being something that would do well, especially in a pandemic, but am not too sure about how it will do prior because again, everyone's at home. They're sitting around their house. They realize how shitty it is, and they want to do something to make it better. So what do? They run out to Home Depot. They run out to Lowe's. They run out to lumber liquidators, and get supplies and whatnot to make their home less shitty. Uh, will that still continue to happen at the rate that it probably has happened in the last year? I don't know. I honestly don't know, and that might actually explain a lot of this kind of up and down, not really going in any particular direction, plateauing action that we have seen since at least the start of August of last year. So very interesting there. And when I say, actually, that's not really. the chart belies the range this is because it's a range from like 21 to 33, which is a range, a jump of 50%. But in the grand scheme of the chart, it looks up and down. But I don't know. Well, it looks flat, but I can't really call it flat. It's more like a roller coaster chart, really. Uh, but I think that's because people expect this to not do as well as it did during the pandemic. And I think I might want to agree with them on that. Would I say it's a sell, though? Yeah. I want to say yes, but I feel like that's only because I gave Lowe's a sell for the exact same reason. And if I didn't do that here, I feel like it wouldn't be fair. Feel like it wouldn't be fair to Lowe's because there's no other reason aside from the fact that maybe it can go up that I can pull out of my butt to upgrade this to a hold, and I just can't justify it. Because I would not be surprised in the slightest. In fact, I think it's very, very likely that business is not going to do as well once people start, going out again, leaving their homes. I know, right, Jesse? Right? I mean, you never leave the home. You're an inside kitty, but you get the idea. So I sell. I'm sorry. I like these guys. Trade them before. But sell.